Hi family, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video and please come back and watch many more of my videos to come. Hello family, welcome back to my channel. I'm getting ready to make 3 things out of this love sign. Okay, I hope everybody is doing well out there. Hope you're being safe. Wash your hands, use your sanitizing lotion, and stay at home if you can. Well, I know you have to work, come home, but don't go all these other places, okay? Like I said, today I'm gonna make 3 things out of this love sign. Now the supplies you would need are, now I got everything from the Dollar Tree. Flowers, photo frame, love sign, 2 glass vases, and LED lights, 2 of them. And don't forget your glue gun. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue each side together. I'm just going to form a square.
So special.
Alright family, I'm getting ready to show you my Michael's haul. Back in I think it was October or November, they put all their flowers on sale. They put flowers, they just put a bunch of flowers in a bag, and if the bag was $4, and I'm getting ready to show you guys what all I got in one bag. I picked up 3 bags, okay? So for $12, I'm gonna show you guys all I got, okay? I was so happy. The first bag, I'm gonna show you what I got. I already tore the bag up, so I've just put it all in a box, okay? I got this was in a bag. Let me see if I have the price on there. The price isn't on there. This was in a bag. Now this says $70, but I believe they may have had a vase at the bottom of this, and they just took the flowers out. So they just dumped this in a bag. Now, mind you, all this was in one bag. And here's another one. This says $60. Again, the vase is not attached, so. Then it has a bunch of these. And then they have, this is a string of flamingo lights. Okay? Like I said, all these were in one bag, okay? That's bag number 1. Okay, here's bag number 2. And all these came from Michael's. Now this big old bag was $4, okay? I thought I had the little tag still on there. Then this big old gorgeous wreath. Isn't that wreath beautiful? Then it had this. This is $2. Okay, that completes this bag. And I'm not going to put it back at all this in the bag. I've got this big old box, and I'm just going to dump it all in here. Woo. Bag number 3. I'm just going to tear it open. This $29.99. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Look at this lavender purple one. Lavender. $60. $30. $40. beautiful. $60. Can y'all see me? $4. Cute little orange flowers. Then they put these in there, these flowers. I don't see how much. $4 a piece. So again, I don't know how they stuffed all that in this bag right here, but I'm glad they did, because all this was $4. And I got 3 bags. I also got a bag with pillows in it. $4. I spent $4 for 4 pillows. Pillows that go on your couch. So I have to show you guys those in another haul. So anyway, I just want to show you guys all my flowers. I'm getting ready to have some fun with doing some flower arrangements. Okay, that was my Michael's Flowers haul. Stay tuned to see what I do with these flowers.